Our project consultants get this question all the time. It's a great question. And Marvin versus Pella versus Andersen is really a long answer. So if you look at each brand provides different lines. Marvin provides 3 or 4 different lines, from most streamlined to highly customizable. Pella provides all the way from a vinyl window all the way up to a aluminum clad wood window. Andersen typically comes to the market with a Renewal by Andersen, which is a Fibrex material, which is 60% vinyl, 40% wood. So it really depends on what you're looking for from the window standpoint. Marvin is going to enable you to have highly customized options. You can really get whatever you want and whatever your home needs. Marvin's really proud of their exterior finishes. They provide long warranties and long-lasting units. I think the other thing that you're gonna find important when you choose a Marvin window and choose a professional window and door installer is you're looking at a window that is completely torn out and reinstalled. And a lot of times, some of the competitors out there wanna do an insert, and they're gonna wanna leave the old window frame in, shrink the new one a little bit, and insert it. And we just believe that there's a better way to do it, where we can insulate, we can make it better waterproofing, you can maximize the glass. So while the brand is important, also how they're going to install it is also important. When you just compare them as brands, it's kind of hard to do. When you start drilling down and understanding, all right, this is a Marvin Elevate compared to a Pella Impervia. You really have to ask, what are the different materials that you're getting with each of those units? The glass is going to be largely the same. Can you get the color you want? Can you get real wood interiors? Can you get the shape you want? And that's going to vary across all brands. And so what our project consultants are going to do, they're going to coach you on what questions to ask, what is going to be really important to this project, and that's going to help you make a decision between the different brands.